Hey guys, welcome back. Got some super clean in the aerosol can, and we are going to spray this air compressor little plates down to get some information so I can get a gasket, because it looks like it's leaking oil really bad from the motor part, or the part that builds air, I mean. But that's it. As you see, it's turned color. Wipe it off. As you can see, it's working. Need a little brush, but that's just going to scratch it up. It's super clean. Clean the little gauge. There we go. And we really need a pressure wash thing. But that's the information, right? Oh, that just says that. Oh, I already knew that. So, alright, well, getting in the video. That one I'm probably going to turn into a gas-powered one, put on a welding trader, just because the motor and everything is junk. I think this is good, but the motor itself is junk. So throw a gas motor on it, see what happens. It's the plan. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.